guys, it's Emily, the little reptile queen. We're here at Flamingo Gardens. So yesterday, Tyler and I and Amanda drove to Chandler's house and we got to visit with Chandler, and that was super cool. We met Chandler's lady friend, Shannon. And Shannon's like, oh, if you guys don't really know what you're doing tomorrow morning, kind of afternoonish, come visit me at Flamingo Gardens. She's in charge of all like the birds of prey, I think. Yeah. I don't know if she does shows, I'm not entirely sure, but she's like, yeah, here's my number, just come see me. I'm like, okay. So that's what we're doing right now. It was raining really, really hard. It seems to be like slowing down a lot, but then I think it's supposed to rain really, really hard again. So we'll see how this goes.
I'm excited.
We're excited. Okay, bye. Okay, bye. Okay, bye. So we're filming on the GoPro right now instead of my Canon, simply because my GoPro is waterproof. So I hope this footage isn't all wonky, the fact that we're filming on two different devices, because that might be strange, but it should be fine. Should be fine. But it's very pretty here, and it's not raining as hard, but it's very noisy. Big airplane. My fear is that, ooh, I should have brought an extra battery with me. Maybe I'll go get one. So my worry is that because it's raining so hard and it's thundering, maybe they won't do shows with the birds because it freaks them out. So we'll see. These batteries only last, where do we park? Right there. These batteries only last like half an hour, 45 minutes. So I wouldn't want to be in there and run out of juice on my camera. So cute! What pretty birds. Yeah. I've heard they just don't make good pets. Like they just like really don't do well in captivity. Not compared to like parrots and stuff. I think they also need like a really like specific diet and stuff. Right now there's this bug exhibit happening this summer. That's cool. So all over the park they have these like fun sculptures. Fun! Do you want a picture? Sure. Okay, cute. Look how beautiful these Monstera deliciosa plants are. Holy man. Look how big they are. Like, oh my goodness. That's incredible. Look at these plants. Wow. That's insane. Okay, what way are we going, Amanda?
This way. See, there's like just a little thing over here.
Okay.
We could do that and then
cute.
come back and go this way.
Okay,
all
cute.
this stuff.
And then, perfect. Yep. Oh, and then this is this bug thing.
Okay.
Blue and gold. Oh, a bite of my finger? I asked her if there was anything interactive. She's like, well, I wouldn't recommend putting your hand in like a gator pond. I was like, fair. Hello! Come here! Hi! Yeah, oh, rawr. I love parrots. No. No, thank you. Do not touch my belly. That's for me only. Aw. These ones are Quaker parrots, and then those are sun conures, and that's eclipse, what's it called?
I love the white one. Oh my god.
And then that's a sulfur crested cockatoo. That's like one of my dream birds. My favorite.
Oh, that's a pretty bird.
Oh, that's a hyacinth macaw. They're soggy birds right now. Hi, say hello. Go bird! Happy bird! Hi, come here, happy bird. Come say hello. Come here, happy bird. Come say hello. Come say hello. Hello, you pretty bird. Hello, is that you want a pet? You want a pet? Here, happy bird. Happy birdies.
Oh, birdie.
That one's so, I wouldn't even try that one.
I love that.
He would kill you. He would kill you. This bird would kill you. Yes, you would. Are you happy bird? Happy bird. Happy bird. Yes, you are. Happy bird. Happy bird. Happy bird. Happy bird. You want to come say hello? Happy bird. He's so cute. Hi. Hello. He's probably nicer because he's probably not bonded to one person. Yeah. When they are, they freaking go after everyone else. They're so cute. Ah. Oh, I love all these plants. These are all look like all different variants of crotons. Like this shit oh yeah, see Croton Garden. I'm like a freaking plant expert or something.
I know a lot about birds and plants. It's cool.
I know. I'm just obsessed. How beautiful is this? Oh my goodness. Eee! Oh no no no, we're not going that way. Ew, that was disgusting. Blech. Let me show it on camera. What I almost walked into. We would have died. Well, actually, Amanda probably would have been fine. There, you see it, guys? The spider webs. Oh, look at them. Ew, I would have died to walk through that.
Yeah, if we go
Yeah.
that way, we'll just go up and around.
Okay, so this way or that way? This way? Okay, cool. I'm happy the rain isn't bad right now. Look at what the heck? What is this plant? Has like a weird pine cone on it. Like this must be its like flower. Cool. Like even this like little bromeliad looking ass plant. Like touch its center or something. It has weird little worms in it. I wouldn't recommend it, but it looks so cool. Look at this plant trailing this tree. Look at it. All the way up. So pretty. Oh, it's right there. Oh, those are pretty birds. Wow. Hi. Ooh, those are weird birds. Wow, those are crazy birds. What are those? Crested cara. They're very unique looking birds.
Yeah.
It's funny, all these birds are all like soggy.
I know.
They're so cute. Oh, these owls are so cute. Hi. I love owls. I think they're so cute. Some really cute burrowing owls over here. Look at the little fellas. Oh,
I love
barn owls are beautiful.
I know.
They all don't want to be soggy right now. We're really hoping that the thunder stops because there's supposed to be a live show by Shannon in like half an hour, but it's still quite thundery, angry, so hopefully it will chill it. But it's very beautiful, so lush here, and just like foliage everywhere. These plants, monsteras, alocasias, all these tropical plants. It's so lush. It's quite humid. It's raining, so fun. Fun. Oh my goodness. They're talking. Hi.
These are crows.
I know.
I love crows.
You should get a fish crow. Hi.
I freaking love
Hi.
crows.
Hello. Hi. Come here. Hello. Hi. Oh my gosh. Hello. Hello. How are you? Jinx.
Hi. You can buy my,
I feel like their
you
bites
can buy
really
my
wouldn't
nail.
hurt. Yeah.
You could do that. Hello. That's my nail. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Hi.
Hi.
This is like Amanda's favorite species. Amanda wants a crow so bad.
Hi.
Hi. You want head scratches? Give me your head. Give me a head. Head scratches?
Oh my God.
Give me it. Head scratches?
Oh, I wish I had something for you. I don't.
We have flamingo food.
I don't know if he's supposed to have flamingo food.
Honestly, it's all the same. Oh no.
Come here.
We got them really excited about flamingo food. Oh no.
No, not you. I want to feed you. No.
This was like the worst decision we've had.
I don't want to feed you. Go away. You're not mean. You're not nice.
Here, why don't I have one
Yeah,
and
you-
you
you
have
hold
one,
the- you
and
hold
then I'll, yeah, the mean one, is that the one you like?
Yeah, I think so.
I think so. Fur on the back, this thing. There you go.
There you go.
Cute.
Oh my
Super
God,
interactive.
I love them.
I'm so smart.
know. I would take you home with me if I could.
Look at this tree. That's insane.
It's beautiful in here.
It's so lovely. Oh, that's a tree. I need pictures in front of that tree. Oh my god. Look at the tram ride. So pretty. Look at this tree, you guys. I look like a little... Look how cute. This is nuts. Like, I have one of these plants at home, but it's not doing this good.
I have one of these at home. I have 2 of them.
They need like natural UV to like actually grow, and they're also like climbing plants with aerial roots, so they love to be able to climb. Like, this is so cool. This place is so beautiful. I'm so happy Shannon told us about this place.
It's gorgeous here.
Look how pretty this plant is. So fun. It's raining so hard. Wow, that tree is still like got my heart. To live in Florida and have shit like this, that's goals. I like the peacocks on the roof, that's so cute. Wow. Super pretty. Hiya, peacock. Wanna feed him food? Try not to let that lady back there see. She might get mad, but we'll see. So cute. Ow, it kind of hurt.
Yeah.
Why didn't you warn me? Ah, you like freaking split my hand open. Ah, okay, sorry.
I don't have any more food. No,
He's like, but I see the bag. But I smell it. Oh, angry chicken.
He's like, no, thank you. Oh my god, he's so pretty. Head scratch. Head scratch. Oh, I give you a head scratch. Give me your head. Come on. Come here. Come on. Come here. Head scratch. Go. You go. Here you go. Hi. Hello. Hi. Hello. Oh, head scratch. Head scratch. He's so cute.
I will kill you.
I think he likes it because they're black or something.
They look like a little snack. Mine look like more nails. A crow picks my nails. Got rotten hands with a crow. The fence? Yeah. Now I get you. Joke's on me. Trusting a crow. How pretty.
Would you think we'll stay up there then?
No way the flamingos are coming over here for food. Not a single chance. We're gonna be feeding these weird little white birds. Oh, those are cute.
Mami, hay cocodrilos bebés. Y los grandotes hay.
Should feed them bird food. Well, there's one down there too.
Hay dos.
Hello.
Ah. Good morning.
They're both like faces. Oh, look, he's eating it.
Hey, buddy.
Bird food. Want some food? More fun to feed these guys than it is the flamingos.
I know. Do I get the little do not feed?
Just hungry. Oh, I love that flamingo. Way more fun than feeding flamingos. It's funny they like eat sideways. Like they like swing their mouth onto it sideways. Oh no. No. Oh,
Want to go under there?
No, I think we go into the foliage. It will be not so bad.
Okay.
All of a sudden it just started like raining like crazy. Oh no.
No, it's an alligator snapper, looks like.
Oh yeah, he's a big guy.
Yep, alligator snapping turtle. such a great enclosure for alligator snappers. People always keep them in these tiny little cages because they never move. Like ever.
Yeah. Happy we only got one bag of flamingo food.
Yeah.
We have a lot of flamingo food. What's next? This one? Oh, these ones are so gentle. Oh, he's like, I'll take that. Take it. No, you gotta have a little bit more. Like this one? Oh, I scared of peacocks. They're so much harder. Ow. Oh, I don't like it. You want this one? A nice bird. Aww. Oh. Look how cute that black duck is. Ducky. Cute. No, little ducky. Come here, look.
Here, ducky. Hey, ducky.
You a fucking bitch. I want to share my food with you anyways. Silly little duck. Like, you got me wet. Much better. How freaking big this monster really is. Sheesh. Freaking sweet. Freaking sweet. Look at this freaking leaf. Sheesh. What is it? What is it, a frog?
You're shedding. Little frog it. Oh.
You're like, freaking out, just grab him.
You're hurt.
Is he missing an eye?
Yeah, he's hurt.
Ew. Oh,
poor
he's a
little
tree frog.
guy. Oh, I hope he's okay.
Ew. Animals in the wild are gross. Look at this. Wow, what a beautiful tree. Oh, if I was a plant, I'd be this plant. How freaking pretty is that? I love, this is a Yucatan pink princess. They sell these at the Home Depot. And they're like little plants. Oh my goodness, that's so pretty. It's an alocasia. An alocasia. Oh, I don't, that's a Major Mitchell's. Oh my gosh. This is my dream bird. I've never seen one in person. Wow, that's super awesome. And the monsteras out here are freaking wild. Yes. They literally, they're humongous. Look at that bird. Give him a pet. You think so?
Yeah,
Okay. Here, I'll just give you some in your hand.
we're feeding everything now.
Okay. Ah, damn it. But if there's turtles in here, you feed the food to the turtles.
There is. Oh, guys, I put the food in there. Put the food in there. Oh, there you go.
Oh no. We're just gonna have to accept that being rained on is our fate.
Oh well, there's worse.
Yeah. There's a freaking swamp out here. Want some boots? There you go. I think I'm so funny. Literally, when I got here, I was talking to the lady and I was like, oh, is there anything like interactive? Because there's like a wildlife encounter show. I was like, is there anything else that's like interactive? Like touch anything? She's like, oh, well, I wouldn't recommend putting your hand in a gator enclosure. I was like, hey, fair enough. But now we're just freaking feeding everything.
You could just like pocket that. Like
Yeah.
you could easily.
We could just take that one to go.
Like they're so like they never know. I mean, they would probably eventually, but like.
Amanda wants to freaking go to jail in Florida. Oh, soggy sulcatas. He's pretty. They probably had people snatch things like that before.
I just think it's really weird that like you can easily access the enclosures because like in Canada, like you can't even get like within a couple feet of them.
Yeah,
right?
usually
There's
they'll
like a
have
fence and then another
yeah,
fence,
exactly.
right?
They'll double fence things. So
like you could just step right into there,
Yeah.
which is just amazing to me. I just
same with like the birds. Like I went up and I touched all the birds' bums
and they're
because
free roaming and it's like
yeah.
so great. Not that we will steal them. I just think that that's an interesting concept.
You're a little chicken, aren't ya? You and your big face, you chicken. Here you go, chicken.
And all those chickens.
You like us? We got good flamingo food, don't we? That little goosey. Oh, that wasn't very nice. Goosey, there's enough to share. Here you go, turtle. Goose keeps trying to freaking
Eat the turtle.
yeah. Rawr. We out here doing God's work. We out here.
Mother Nature's animals.
All God's creatures. We love them all. Even the little chickens.
Like, you know, you could just step right in there and pet these guys.
Oh yeah, we are. Look at
look at this little dragon. That's so cute.
oh,
I want it.
dude, that's so cute.
It's adorable.
What do you think it is?
I have no idea. A frog, not a toad.
Cute.
A frog, not a toad, I think.
Looks like a toad.
Are you sure?
I don't know anything.
I think a toad would be...
Less wet.
Yeah, but again, it was raining.
So cute. He has a toad body.
Hey.
You're so freaking handsome. Can you get off the path so I don't step on you? Because I didn't even see you. Amanda saw you. Oh, you're so freaking cute, little toad.
It's cute, whatever it is. I like it.
I didn't even see him. I would have stepped on him. Hi, little turtles. Everything is wet.
They're healthy, eh?
Hello. Do you feel my scratches? Do you feel it? To a wiggle. Wiggle your freaking butt. He's like, I'm sleeping.
Shells.
I'd recommend not petting animals in the face.
You don't do what I'm doing.
Look at your beautiful shells. See, this is how sulcata shells are supposed to look like. So like a couple weeks ago, I was at my buddy's facility in Abbotsford and there was some sulcatas with like huge pyramiding. These little bumps were like massive and there's big grooves. They're not supposed to have that. Like literally, this one looks a little wonky, but do you see how smooth the shell is? That's literally how they're supposed to look, but you'll never see a sulcata. I've never seen a sulcata with a smooth
I've never
shell.
seen one in captivity like that.
So because these guys live outside, because it's Florida, the UV,
Super UV, super
the
hot,
UV
super UV.
is perfect for their shells. So they have like really beautiful shells, right? You feel my pets? They can feel pets. Amanda, you're missing the otters. What the heck? Oh, there's a freaking bear over there. It's a beautiful enclosure though, isn't it? Hi, little bear. The little Yogi bear. Show us your basket. Yeah. Hello. Guy's sitting on my bum. So cute. Like it's a super fun enclosure. There's a fun little chair and a fun little swimming pool and cute little rock hide.